Hi, my name is Kim Davila, and the three assets that I believe I bring to the table are the first one would be my experience. I have worked in social services for over close to 25 years, mainly in children's services, behavioral health, and I currently work in Children's Hospital Philadelphia doing some behavioral health stuff. So I believe my experience and all that I've learned over the past 25 years would be helpful to my classmates, and I think I can offer a lot of assistance. The second asset would be having a thick skin. In this field, people will say and do anything to you, with you, and many times you have to learn not to take it personally. It's just where that person is at that moment in their life, and you are the person in front of them, so they will at times say stuff to you and not really mean it, so you just have to have a thick skin about it and know that it's not personal. And the third asset, I believe, is a sense of humor, and that follows suit with having the thick skin, because there are some crazy things that happen in this field, both good and bad, and I think as social workers, having a sense of humor and being able to diffuse certain situations with humor is helpful, and I think it goes a long way in your mindfulness and your well-being. So a sense of humor is very important. I look forward to getting to know some of you. I don't think I've had classes with a lot of you in this particular class, and talk to you soon. Thank you.